Good morning, boys and girls. Today is Tuesday, May 19th, 2020. So we have a few things planned today. So for writing, you can take any of the writing prompts on the May calendar, or you can do a free write. It's up to you. Just remember, you need that intro sentence, you need a wrap-up sentence, and 3 sentences in between. And make sure you're really looking at if you're spelling your trick words right. I want capitals and periods. So really think about that. And also make sure you draw a nice picture to go with it. Use at least 7 colors in your pictures. All right, so moving on to foundations today, you are going to make a bossy E word. So you're going to make magic E words. All the little E's are down here. So you're going to cut those off and you're going to glue, you're going to turn cap in rid, mad, hop, kit, tub, and con into new words by adding the E and then write which word it now is. You are going to do, for the second one, you're going to add the magic E to each of these words, and then you're going to go ahead and draw a picture. So the first one says bit, but when you add the magic E, it's going to say bite, and you can draw a picture of you biting into an apple, or maybe Dracula biting in. So you get to write the new words once they have a magic E at the end, and then draw a picture to go with those. All right, today for math, we're moving on to the quarter. So the quarter is the biggest coin that we're going to learn, and it's worth the most money. It's worth 25 cents. So these are typically a little harder to count because we don't normally count by 25s. So you'll just kind of have to get used to counting by it. So it's 25, 50, 75, $1. That's what I usually do when we're in class together. So you'll learn about your quarter. This at the front. Now the front has George Washington on the very front. It's George Washington's front of our side profile. Now, the back is a little tricky. When Mrs. Lee was a little girl, every quarter had a eagle on the back. But that's not the way it is anymore. If you find quarters from when Mrs. Lee was little, which they are still out there, I'm not that old, they have the eagle on the back. But if you get newer quarters from like 1999, I think they started changing it. Each state got a quarter, so there's different quarter things from each state, different provinces. So if you have quarters, check the backs out. They're all completely different. Sometimes you'll find some matching ones, but they're very, very different. And what's neat is even though it's a Massachusetts quarter, you can use it in New Hampshire. So see if you might have a New Hampshire quarter at home. Maybe you have the Hawaii one. So you're going to go ahead and color all the quarters in, and you're going to color 50 cents, which would be 2 quarters. Here is the quarter maze. You guys know how to do that. You've done it for every other coin. Just color in the quarters. Get to the front from the beginning to the end. Here's counting coins. So you're going to show me 50 cents, $1. What's really cool about the quarter is you only need 4 of them to make $1. And then you're going to go ahead and count them up, write how much each is. That's what you're doing for math. And don't forget to do your reading book for reading this week. May it be a couple chapters that you have, or may it be one of the new books that you're working on. Okay, so that's pretty much your day today. So have a great day. I heard the sun's going to be coming out even more than it did yesterday. So that should be great to do. And then once you're done your work, please go outside and make sure you have yourself a recess. And I will see you guys later on this afternoon for a Ready Freddy. Have a great night, guys. Bye.